Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, and this will be under, I just bought it. Well, I bought these according to my original video back in June of 17. Well, it lasted a year. For some reason the switch is now dead, and it continues to I can't turn it off, so the streaming button is keeps lighting, and I cannot turn it off, and I can't get it to connect, so it doesn't do me any good. So, but they were good. I've used them quite a few times when I'm mowing the lawn. They do stick. It gets a little sticky back around the back of your neck, but I've been happy with them. Just plug them into your computer and they'll charge back up. And usually when you turn it off, it'll fully charge up. You'll see the little red button, little red light here, and then when it's done, it'll go out. And then when you click them back on, they'll vibrate, and then the operator in here will say connecting or disconnected, or shutting down, battery needs to be charged. They lasted me probably about, I'd say about 4 hours before they died. But unfortunately I charged them up thinking I was going to be able to use them, and I can't get them to shut down or turn on. It wouldn't be bad if I was able to plug them right in and then charge it as long as I could, and then go ahead and get them to connect with my phone, but it's not happening. So I guess for 15 bucks it wasn't a bad deal. So just to pass it out to you to let you know that they lasted me a year, and that's the Travelocity Sport headphones. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next. I just bought it.